This video explains how to register point clouds from different scans and how to transform coordinates from a local system to a global one. We started by importing 2 scans of the same building. As you can see, both have different coordinate systems. We hide one of the 2 clouds, and we will look for an area in which to designate 2 clearly differentiated points. We activate the reference to the cloud and identify the points of interest. Now we create control points from the designated points and export the coordinates to a file. Next, we will locate the same points in the second scan. Let's link the control points that we have defined before with the corresponding ones of this scan. We already have all the necessary information to register the points. We choose the transformation method, indicating that we are going to use the control points. A dialog is displayed with the results of the calculation, including displacements, rotation, and transformation residuals. We apply the transformation to the second cloud, and when activating both we see that they coincide perfectly, leaving the 2 scans aligned and registered. Finally, let's bring the point cloud to global coordinates. To do this, we will import as origin the local coordinate file saved before, and as destination a file of UTM coordinates previously measured with total station. We see the results of the calculated rotation and displacement and accept to apply them to the full cloud. We can verify that the coordinates shown are global.